Okay, with the amount of coins that I have, it's all over the place. And trying to categorize these, keep them in order, and especially they don't lose them or misplace them or anything like that. So I've started doing a little something. I'm going to show you what I'm starting out with. Okay, this is box number 2 of the pennies from 41 to 55. So what I did is I took a 41, a pack of 41 out of here. This is my marker that I'm going to use, and when I'm done with 41, I'm going to put them on this side and take 42 out of this side. So when I get up to 43, I'm going to add a 43 that I found in there. And I'm going to number these, actually put a serial number on each one of these, and show you how to actually put them into a spreadsheet so you can keep track of all your coins. And that's really nice. And there's something else I actually did on one of them that I experimented, and I'll show you that too. So let's get started. Okay, this is my pennies. I got a bunch of them, and down here I have my dollars, my halves, my quarters. I have pictures of them in every place. My nickels, rolls, mints, proofs, and commemorative. So I'm working on pennies right now, and I'm going to swing on down here real fast. I started this up in the 50s, and I give them serial numbers right here. All right, and also what I did is I created a thing called a new error box. When I find error coins, and I'm keeping them, I'm going to put it in there. And also, if they're graded already, which is right here, they're graded by NACS. There's a serial number there and what it is. So this is in what's called the big box. All right, and I have the S and the 55 and the condition that NACS actually graded them. So I'm starting now up on the 40s. So I have 41. Now 41 has errors according to the cherry picker's book. So I'm going to use my digital magnifying glass to look on the back of the 41s in here because, and it's the Philadelphia ones, the straight 41s like right here. These two I'm going to look at for the DDO that comes on, the double die obverse, and see if those actually have double die obverse on them. Then I'll make the notes in here. But for now, there's a criteria that I do, and you can do what you want. We're going to swing on back down here just to show you. Errors go to the bottom of the Ds. Typically, I don't have these on the bottom of the Ds. So just to kind of categorize this. Now, if you need to move these, take both these lines and highlight them. Now, this is Excel exercise, so it's up to you if you want to do them. Right-click on them and cut. Okay, so now they got a little ziggly line going around saying, hey, you selected those. You're going to go to the line that you want them to appear above. Now, the graded card actually goes last. All right, and all your, not card, I said card because I'm in baseball cards, right? The graded coin goes last. And the other coins that don't have errors and are not graded, they're going to go first. So I already gave these a 1 and 5, the serial numbers. So we're going to go over here and highlight this one. And we're going to right click and insert cut cells. And they're going to end up on top. So now that's how you kind of organize them. All right, the proofs, I should have a number that actually comes off of this. Saying why it's proofed, who proofed it, and the serial number. And I have a note saying it's dirty and it's in the proof box. So at least I'll be able to find that. So with that said, we're going to go back to 41, and we're going to take our 41s. I'm going to show you, because see all these 43s? Oh my goodness. 43s, for example, you're going to take your first one. You're going to give it a unique number, all right? This is pennies, so this has to do with pennies. We know that already. So you're not going to put P or D for dime or Q for quarter or anything like that. You're going to do 43, or this is what I do. I put an underscore, and I put 2 digits always, the 0, 1. All right, so now if you, without touching the key, but you have the mouse over this, this will put it in sequential order as you drag it down. So you see that cross that comes up there? You grab it and you drag it down to the last 43, including the error, not the Ds. Now the 43D has a 43D and underscore 0, 1. And even though you have another one there, I just go ahead and drag it down. Now, if you come up with while you're doing your coins, I'm going to do this because we're on 41. I'm actually going to do 41 now, and this is 41. Um, underscore, I'm wondering why it's on the left, but that's okay. 01 and enter. It's on the left. I need to center this whole box. Should be centered. That and then that. So it centers it. And then I'm going to drag this down to there. And 41D, 01. And then I'm going to drag it on these. Now these numbers that I assigned, I'm going to write on the paper that is on the container of the coin. That's why it's always nice to put them in some kind of a coin holder. Now I have an S here that's not proof or anything, so I'm going to assign one to that, 41S underscore 01. So that's what's going to be on that. Now what's going to happen is if you have many coins, like all these coins, you have that arrow right there, which we have to make red. So the thing, I highlight red ones if they're errors, so I know, hey, they're in the new error box, and I have to go find them in the error box. When I'm looking for a specific coin, and you have multiple coins, you have no idea which coin it is, maybe the notes aren't right or whatever, if you assign a serial number to it, hey, it's got a unique serial number on it. So that's the idea of this. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the 41s. I'm not going to show you that because I do enough of stuff with microscope on YouTube. So I'm going to take a look at the 41s, and then I'm going to actually write them on the cards, and I'll show you the finished product as that's done. I'm going to do it the whole thing, to the whole. I'm doing it to my whole collection because I have so much time on my hands. So and this is the box number that they're in. This is the current value as of 2013. This is what I actually found them for, and those aren't even with the dollar signs. For the format, let's go to format cells. Okay, where's my format cells? There we go, format cells. We're going to do this for currency. And decimal point 2 cents, that's what I want. Okay, okay, that didn't work out right. Okay, where is it? Counting. Yeah, that puts the dollar sign way over on the left. All right, so I have no idea why those weren't there, but I'm going to save this, and I always save after I do some work. Don't want to do it again. I have this file is actually on SkyDrive, so it's on the cloud, so it's always there. It's great. It never goes down. I never lose it. So let me get started on this. But that's the layout. These are notes over here. This is what's wrong with them. And then when I have it over in the error box, I don't have it in a box number. And over here I have the value, how it changed since 3 years ago. So I lost $1 on this one, and I gained 50 cents on these guys down here. So I put notes that, hey, it's a red coin. I might put down as red brown or something like that. So hopefully, hey, you're finding this interesting, and I'm going to throw a little video on the display of the coins. Okay, I made a correction on one of these because on the card, on the coin itself says MS60 is the grade I gave it, and also my S has been cleaned, so I made a note over here for that. So before we go to show you the coins, I want to show you something I did a while back, and if I can find where it is. Okay, these are coins that are missing. So that's a nice little note you could do. I have coins in green, like this one right here, that I don't have. So now this is what I have here. This is the 1983 double die. Okay, it should be a verse, DDO, because it is a DDO. So make any corrections. I have 3 stars here because this to me is a hot coin. And if I get enough money to set things off to be graded, this may actually be one of those. So what I have is pictures here, and if you put your mouse over it, you see the link. Okay, these have to be on the link or wherever the destination is. So what you do is you go to Insert, a picture, and you throw a picture in there, and then you resize it down to 1 line. I'm sorry, and then it fits on the corresponding line that it's on. So if I click this, my external drive is on, so that's where they're located at. And it takes a little while because it is going over USB external. So once it comes up, Oh, I might have to break it. There we go. And that's it. It's coming up with a program. That's why. So it's that, and not for any contest. This is one of them I found. So I can blow it up for you. So that way you can actually, hey, that's the coin. Yeah, and it's always nice seeing your coins anyway. I'll close that. And then this is on the Liberty side. So I need to change what actually opens. I want Microsoft Pictures to open up, not a editing program. So that's a whole different ball of wax. So that's a neat little thing if you have your pictures in here, if you have time to do that, if you're taking pictures. And throw your pictures on the side. So when you're looking at, wow, I wonder what that one actually looks like, reverse rotated. And you click on this rather than looking it up by the serial number in the new error box. That might actually help you out. Just some ideas. So let me go ahead and show you what the coins actually look like after I write them out. So now we're back up to 41. Okay, and these numbers will be on the coins now. Kind of simple, right on the bottom there. I use a pen that doesn't bleed and doesn't run all over the place. So 41 is 1941, serial number 01. That's an underscore, not a dash. That's the 2. That's a D. That's a 1. That's a D, and it corresponds with the MS65 grade that I gave it, my best judgment. And there, and this is the F12. Why I have it in there, I have not a clue. And this is the S, and the S has been washed, or has been cleaned. That's a sign of a clean coin. Lousily done, but that's what it looks like. And so I made that note on the spreadsheet. You can put all the notes you want on a spreadsheet, but it's hard to fit them all on this thing. So hopefully you found the video helpful. Hey, submit your ideas. Tell me what you do, and we'll share the links. All right, bye for now.